So this is the EGR bulb. What I did right now, I just put a plug. I already cleaned it, but I want to show you exactly what you can do to clean these pieces, because this is not a cheap part. This is about $400 or $500 part, plus not counting the regulator bulbs and some other pieces that goes with it. I cleaned up every single piece, very nice, okay? And so what I do is I use this brake cleaner. This thing was completely clogged up and blocked. You couldn't even see light shining through. But what I do is I fill it up with this thing, and it's guaranteed to break anything. So I fill it and then just let it sit for a while so all the grime, oil, and carbon gets dissolved by this product. You just leave it there, shake it a little bit. You can actually see right here how it dissolves very nicely. See? It cleans everything. But just fill this with you can actually see now it's gargling. Then just leave it there for a while until it cleans, and then empty it.